It is estimated that each year, Southern Europe produces more than 8.5 million tons of food waste. Also, in North Africa, it is estimated that more than 32% of food is wasted, and that mainly in the cities.
The Mediterranean Circular Food Systems Network is going to be a multidisciplinary, multi-institutional, and international network that is going to have a simple goal: reduce the amount of organic waste that goes to dump sites and landfills.
The traditional Mediterranean agro-food systems, contrarily, were fully or highly local, so relying on local feeds, local varieties of crops, which makes them more resilient to the impacts of climate change. One important aspect of these local, regional Mediterranean agro-food systems and the related, the interlinked diet is that it's a system highly circular. And this is very important because these systems are highly focused on the circulation of organic matter. So there is a very relevant role of livestock systems local, for instance, pastoralists, livestock systems, those that are quite linked to the territory and are shaping our landscapes. So as I was saying, the organic matter coming from those systems is normally being used in cropping systems as fertilizers, increasing the amount of organic matter of our cropping soils, which is actually low due to, among other factors, the implications or the impacts of soil erosion and climate change. So circularity is a pivotal aspect of Mediterranean agro-food systems.
The cropping systems and animal production systems in the Mediterranean have traditionally relied on nutrient cycling within the farm to achieve an efficient utilization of resources. But with growing offtake of nutrients going into urban areas, there is increasingly a drain of resources, nutrients, energy, and carbon that is now flowing from the farms into the urban areas without being cycled back. And that is imposing a major strain and increasing the need to invest in external resources for crop and animal production to meet the increasing production as well as the outflow of nutrients that are not retained to the farming systems. Unfortunately, most of the nutrients that flow into urban areas are actually lost through municipality waste that is disposed in such a way that is not used to reinvest in the cropping systems where the demand for carbon, energy, and nutrients is high.
To take an example, we can talk about orange fruit production, which is an important fruit in the Mediterranean region. The farmer uses more than 100 liters of water and an enormous amount of nutrient and organic matter and energy to produce just one fruit. After juice extraction, 50% of the fruit is wasted in the form of membranes, peel, and seeds. Till now, most of this waste, oranges and others, are destined for dump site and landfills, where they present enormous challenges, including high landfill maintenance costs, environmental and health risk, and most importantly, greenhouse gas emission. In the Mediterranean region, it is estimated that food lost and waste is responsible for the production of 4.4 gigatons of CO2 equivalent. However, since only a small fraction of the produced organic waste is valorized, there is a huge opportunity to cycle waste and increase the circularity of the Mediterranean food system.
Economic and environmental benefits of circular food system are multiple. For example, new sources of income and jobs can be created when building the processing infrastructure, when improving waste collection system, and by byproduct packaging, and also marketing, and among other activities in the organic waste value chain. And this implies the creation of more improved, mutually rewarding linkages between rural and urban communities by fostering socially innovative, efficient, and sustainable food systems that both increase food security and create new byproducts and jobs.
In summary, we have a great opportunity, in my opinion, to recover something that it was there, is a socio-cultural heritage of our societies in this part of the world.
So CiFoS has two broad objectives. Objective number one, increase the visibility of opportunities for secular management of organic resources within the Mediterranean region. The second objective is conduct the necessary research to make visible the benefits of secular food systems. These benefits include environmental benefits, economic benefits, and social benefits, and also explore the viability of different secularity pathways in the Mediterranean food systems.
So a key intervention of this project is going to explore the opportunities for closing the loop and ensuring that we optimize and maximize the opportunities for using the waste from municipality areas for use to reinvest in crop production.
CiFoS network will characterize different organic waste streams in 8 target cities. Then aerobic, anaerobic, and hybrid bioprocesses will be used to produce biofertilizers and bioenergy from organic waste.
Our researches are conducted in a large scale as sewing. At the same time, this platform is dedicated to ensure teaching by doing.
Clearly, innovations that improve the secular management of organic resources will support low carbon development in the Mediterranean regions. However, as we want to do through CiFoS, the idea is to generate the evidence on emission reductions. So what will be the key activities of CiFoS?
A detailed assessment of the current volume and quality of municipal solid waste and assess its agronomic potential value.
The CiFoS network will also conduct different trials in the different countries to determine the best fit valorization options and also quantify their economic, the agronomic, and the greenhouse gas mitigation benefits of the different valorization options. The network will also organize and coordinate different technology and skills transfer events that will target women, youth, and local farmers. And the idea behind these events will be to increase visibility on employment opportunities within secular food systems. Through all these activities, the network is going to generate a lot of data, and this data will be analyzed and be used to inform policy options within the Mediterranean region.